Hello friends, in this video we will talk about an important component in the world of computers and games, which is the graphics card. We'll explore what a graphics card is, how it affects the performance of games and applications, as well as some important terms related to this component. Let's start. A graphics card, also known as a graphics card, is an essential part of a computer that converts data into graphic signals that are displayed on a computer screen. It features powerful GPUs that efficiently process images and graphics. Graphics cards are one of the main factors in determining the quality and performance of computer games. Graphics cards process heavy graphics and visual effects in games. The more powerful the card, the more you'll be able to run games at higher resolutions and smoother. GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, the part of the card that handles complex graphics and computations for rendering images and effects. VRAM, or Video Random Access Memory. This is the memory intended for storing temporary graphical data, which is important for high-quality games. CUDA, stream processors, computation units within the GPU that handle graphics and computational tasks. Clock speeds, the operating speeds of the card and its processing units. And when choosing a graphics card, you should take into account the games you plan to play and the resolution you want to run them. It is also preferable to follow the latest versions and reviews of graphics cards before making a purchase decision. In conclusion, we cannot overlook the role of the graphics card in the computer and gaming experience. If you are looking for better performance in your games and graphics applications, investing in a powerful graphics card may be a good option. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.